Gonna go down and put some different rims on her today. Welcome back to the show today. Today, I'm gonna be out in the garage because it's such a nice day. I think it's probably about 69 degrees and sunny. So anyways, I just had a real good time trying to take off this oil filter. Doesn't look like it's been changed in like 100 years. With this Lucas stabilizer. Now I use this Lucas heavy duty oil stabilizer on everything, but if I'm using it on an older vehicle, I use the white label. It's just like this, white. If I'm using it on a newer vehicle, it's the same bottle, but a black label on the front. That's that. You leave that thing in there forever. And give it 20 minutes and it'll be empty because it's thick. So while that does that, I'm gonna put up some tools and clean up.